So here's how to fix keyboard not working in Windows 11. First, you'll need to right click on the start button and then click on settings. Now here we will need to click on accessibility tab and then scroll down and click on keyboard. Now in here, make sure filter keys is turned off, and for a temporary solution, you can enable on-screen keyboard. That should launch this keyboard right here. So next you can close this and then right click again on the start icon here and click on device manager, and it should open up this device manager window. Now what you can do is select keyboards here and open the drop down. Now from here we will need to update each one of these. If you don't know what's your specific device, sometimes you will find your device separate name in here, unlike this HID keyboard device. So you will specifically click on it and then right click update drivers, and then search automatically for drivers, and that should search and install any updates available. What you can do as well is search for updates in the Windows update, and if there is any pending updates in here, you should download and install them. You can also go to advanced options and then optional updates, and if you see any keyboard related updates in here, you should download and install them. And you're going to do it for all of these devices in here if you don't see your specific device name for your keyboard, and that should generally solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.